Lesson number 9, Settled Life and Urban Civilization. The life of human is settled now and urban civilization is started. Urban civilization means शहरांची निर्मिती, शहरांची आणि गावांची निर्मिती होऊ लागली. Now look at these points. Use of metals, pots made on the potter's wheel, trade and transport, rise of cities and script, social organization in the ancient cities. Now the first point, use of metals. Look at this picture. Ancient gold objects found in buried grounds, Bulgaria. These are the ancient gold ornaments or gold objects. You may have wondered about the first metal that human used. Museums in Europe had large collections of prehistoric artifacts and antique objects. The Museum of Europe has many antique objects. Antique objects means पुराणातल्या काही मौल्यवान वस्तू. A scholar named Christian Thompson introduced a method for classifying them. It is called three-age system. The objects of metals are classified in three stages, that are three-age system. Thompson classified the objects into three groups. What are the groups? That is stone tools, that is Stone Age. Copper tools and other copper articles, that is Copper Age. And iron tools and other iron articles, that is Iron Age. Thompson established with the help of evidence that stone tools were the earliest. At first, the stone tools were discovered. The period of copper tool and articles was the next. It was followed by period of iron tools. First one stone tools, then copper tools, and then iron tools. Accordingly, the three periods were named Stone Age, Copper Age, and Iron Age, respectively. Very simple. This gave rise to the belief that copper was the first metal to come into use. Copper was the first metal. Now look here. Actually, gold was the first metal to be used. Gold is soft metal, so it could not be used for making tools and implements. Humans then discovered another metal which could be used for these purposes. That metal was copper. Which metal was first discovered? That is gold. But it was so soft and it cannot be used for making tools. Therefore, it is not in use. The next metal that was discovered was copper, and copper is used for making another instruments. Therefore, it is come into use first. Copper come into use first, but the first metal that found was gold. The period when copper came into use is known as Copper Age. Now 9.2, pots made on the potter's wheel. The Copper Age was the age of many new inventions and rapid changes. The inventions of the wheel is the most important among them. Invention of wheel is the most important. It is generally agreed that the wheel was first used by potters. Potters first used the wheels. Look at this picture. This wheel is first used by the potters. It it used in carts and chariots probably began a little later. Then wheels used in carts, that is later, नंतर वापरले गेले काड्यांच्या मध्ये. फर्स्ट युज्ड बाय द पॉटर्स. Now trade and transport. We'll see it in next video.